Hey everyone, it's Monica and welcome to day 6 of our Christmas in July. Today's prompt to decorate our vintage playing card is numbers. So we're going to go ahead and create a black and white playing card today. And I'm using this tissue paper that is from one of the sets from Tim Holtz. Now to start out, I'm adding some texture paste. Now you can use collage medium, you can use texture paste, you can use anything that's going to help you to get your tissue paper stuck to your card. Now typically I would use collage medium, but I wanted something a little bit thicker because I really didn't want my tissue paper to buckle or to tear. So I wanted something a little bit thicker to capture and seal my tissue paper on my card. So as you can see here, I'm just kind of rubbing it down to get all the bubbles out. And now I'm going to go ahead and let it set while I add my ephemera pieces. Now I went into some of my vintage ephemera and I got that Admit One ticket. And then I also went into some of my Tim Holtz ephemera and that's where I got this calendar. As you can see, I'm using one of the Christmas paper dolls, which I have hundreds of paper dolls, so it wasn't real difficult to find the one that I wanted to use. Originally, I was looking for the one where he has the little, I think he has a sleigh, but this one worked great as well because he has his skates wrapped around his shoulder, and it is a perfect winter paper doll. So I'm just doing a little bit of layering here, just kind of figuring out exactly how I want my background to look on my numbers. Now the numbers, of course, are on the tissue paper, but I'm also grabbing numbers from that calendar. And then, of course, the Admit One has numbers on the ticket as well. So this little playing card has tons of numbers for our theme. So as you can see, I grabbed some of my Mod Podge, and now I'm actually adding this over my images, and there's a couple reasons I'm doing this. Now, number one, I want to go ahead and seal it. I want to make sure that my images are going to stay attached to that tissue paper. And since I used my my thicker paste laying it down, I knew that my paper wasn't going to move. But I also needed to create some moisture to be able to hold my glitter dust, and that's what I just added to my card just a minute ago. Now this glitter dust is part of the Tim Holtz collection, and all it is sparkly glitter, and then I added it to the glitter duster from Stampers Anonymous, and it works great. I love playing with this product. I got it a couple years ago, and I bring it out every holiday season. It is just a fun little addition to create snow. Alright, so once I have my glitter dust all over my card, I'm going to go ahead and trim that tissue paper, and then I'm going to trim off the edges a little bit more, and I'm going to show you a trick. Tissue paper comes off really easily using one of Tim Holtz's sanding discs. And the sanding disc, I wasn't a fan when I started out, but now I use it all the time, and it's wonderful because it fits to your round blending tool, and you can just have it on your desk ready to go. But as you can see here, the edge of the tissue paper just comes off really easily using one of these sanding discs, and I just love it to trim my tissue paper. So that's it. It was easy as just pulling out some black and white ephemera, sprinkling a little glitter dust, and calling it a day. So I hope you liked day 6 prompt numbers, and we will see you back tomorrow for our day 7 prompt. Thanks for stopping by.